Okay, so this is 193 Wading-Bird Loop, and it looks to be almost completed. And this is in Blythewood. So let's go take a look inside. Has the brick front, 2-car garage. This is the neighborhood here. And this neighborhood does have a pool, other playground amenities, things like that. And you're right in Blythewood off of 77. So there's a covered porch. It's brick in the front. All right, so you come in here. To your left are bedrooms here. So this is your full bath on this level. You have one bedroom here in the front. It's a good size. Closets with the double doors here. Okay. And the ceilings are high in this house. It is a ranch style, but the ceilings are very high. This will be your laundry room area here. You have a closet, storage in here. And then here is the access point for your 2-car garage. And here's your last bedroom in this area here. So there's 2 bedrooms on this hallway and a full bath along with your laundry room. And then back to the front door. Off to the right is a formal dining room. Okay. And then here is your kitchen. Your refrigerator will be here. Pantry. Gas range. Eating area. Island with the sink. It has the overhang, so you can put probably 3 or 4 stools there. And then this is your great room, kind of open living space here. Let's take a look out back. There is a covered porch here. And then an additional slab in the backyard. And it probably stops right at that dip there where there's a sewer drain there and there's a dip that goes straight across the back. That's probably about the end of this yard. Back of the house. All right, let's check out the owner's suite, and then there's one more room upstairs over the garage. So here's the owner's suite right off of the main living space. Same high ceilings here throughout the house. Walk-in closet. And then here's the owner's suite. Double vanity, stand-up shower, and then your garden tub. So, and let's head upstairs to this last room upstairs. I'm gonna cut off all these lights. And this is the room over the garage, the Frog. It has a door, so it can be closed off if you want. It's a pretty good sized space. Definitely can be used as a bedroom or hangout space if you need it. And it has a walk-in closet. Okay. And then here is your large countertop vanity area, single sink, and then it has a stand-in shower. Okay. This is 193 Wading-Bird Loop. The builder is Mungo. And this one looks to be pretty much, I would say, finished. They're probably doing a few items, but it would definitely meet your deadline for move-in. Again, that's your main living area. Eating kitchen, kitchen with the island. Gas range, it has a pantry. And turn off these lights. right? And then nice high ceilings for a ranch. You don't feel like you're in a ranch. Dining room area. And then you have, again, down this hallway, the 2 bedrooms and the full bath, along with your laundry room and the access to the garage. And this one looks like it'll be ready. It is ready. Probably a few punch out items to go through, punch list items to make sure everything is done. Make sure the walls and the floors are good. But it would really be ready by your time frame that you're looking for. Okay. And that's 193 Wading-Berg Loop. So let me lock this up. Okay. Again, it has a brick front and the siding on the side. But this is the neighborhood here. This is in Blythewood. And this is the front of the house. Good morning. How are you? All right. Let me know if you have any questions about this one.